To change the saw blade in the Ozito circular saw, I'm going to firstly remove that battery, and then with that battery removed, we're going to turn the saw around to the back, and we've got an Allen key in the back here which we're going to pull out. Now this Allen key goes into the Allen screw in the front of the saw blade, but if we start to twist that, you'll see the whole blade spins around with it. What we actually need to do is press down on this little tab here. I'm going to hold that at the same time, and while holding that down, it's actually going to lock that blade in place, and then we can twist and loosen that Allen screw with the Allen key. Once it starts to go, I can release that button there, and we can just take the screw all the way out. So I'm going to place that screw to the side for now. There's also a washer holding the blade down. I'm going to pull that out and put that down next to the screw. Now I'm going to pull back that safety guard, and we can easily get in there and carefully pick up the blade and slide it up and then slide it out. Now for this demonstration, I'm going to put the same blade in, but when you get a new blade, you're going to have one side like this which has writing and information on it. This is the side that you want to see when it's in the saw, and by doing this, it's making sure that your saw teeth are facing the right way when the blade spins around to cut. So I've got the blade the way it needs to go. I'm going to pull back that safety, and we're going to carefully slide it in until that hole in the blade fits over that center point, and it's going to sit down in place. With that done, we can pull this washer up again, and this washer should also click into place, and then we can get that Allen screw and tighten that off. We're just going to keep tightening this until it starts to spin the blade with the screw. And when this starts to happen, we're going to push down on that same button behind the saw blade. That's going to lock the blade in place. Then we can tightly pull that Allen screw to tighten that screw, and that's got that blade secure where it needs to be. So we're just going to throw that Allen key in the back of the tool again, so we've got it for next time. Then we can chuck the battery in, and we're ready to go.